Airsoft battle, airsoft. Shut up, Jake.
Get down, get down.
They're plastic babies. Stop running around. They don't hurt.
And that's this distance.
Camera guy, come around the corner.
Hey, bro, maybe you put on the map.
Camera guy, come around the corner. Hey, dude.
You can't take us, boy.
Camera guy. Camera guy. Oh.
Jesus, I was just gonna shoot him.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot. I'm gonna run
I'm
it.
gonna shoot you. Go.
I'm still gonna shoot you right now, man. Still tempted.
Wait, where'd they go?
Over there. Where'd they go? Keep on watch.
Your battery's going dead. I thought you were in charge of my life.
Oh my god.
Yeah, see, my battery went dead. I was charged for like 10 minutes.
Quit trying to be an actor. Stop, Jake. You're being an idiot. Quit trying to be an actor. Camera guy. What do you think about this war?
Crazy.
Exactly. What? Where's Chase? Chad.
Right here.
What do you think
My
about?
gun keeps messing up.
What do you think about this war, Chad? That's what I thought. Okay, well, that's the war. I'm gonna switch back to my sniper now.